This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Oh, such weirdness, such madness. Too many times, the TMJs don't seem to help when it comes to having the megros. Then you have to worry about idiots taking disinfectant for COVID nowadays, which isn't too bright, even though hydroxychloroquine is touted by our president, so it must be safe, right? Red Dot cigars are mild and sweet tasting, at least according to the box on my desk. Of course, the smoke might have gotten into the birdseed, because those robins were coughing this morning. It never hurts to recommend AA to Twitter users, especially when they seem overly fond of midnight tweets, which could cause obesity, not to mention obsequiousness. 15 miles up the Erie Canal, there was a donkey named Sue who belonged to one of the Sioux Nation's finest politicians. In her off time, she loved music, especially Susie Sue and the Banshees, whose music made Marie Antoinette much more enjoyable. Of course, it didn't hurt that the late, great Rip Torn was in it, ever since his co